In this video, we'll take a look at PriceTag software and how it can be used to speed up your price sign printing. Producing price tickets, labels or signs for counter displays can be a long and tedious process for food retailers. There are countless things to think about when running a food retail store, so producing your price signs using PriceTag is a great way to save time. PriceTag can produce durable plastic tickets when used with a price sign printer. Price signs made from paper or card, even when laminated, wear easily over time and are not water resistant. On the other hand, plastic price signs are food safe, water resistant and versatile, with a huge range of colours and sizes available. Let's see how easy it is to produce these display transforming price signs. Here you can see the main screen of the PriceTag software. On the left hand side, this is where you can see all the designs that you have set up. Being able to have multiple designs saved in the software allows you to quickly switch between different card sizes and styles. Within each card design, you can have multiple categories. This allows you to set up different designs for different product types, and it also helps to keep your product range neatly categorised. Then within each category, you'll find all your products listed in the records field. As you click each one, you can see the data on the card preview change. This shows you what will be printed. To print a card, simply select the product record that you'd like to print and click on Print Card. Make sure your PriceCard printer is selected and then print. The PriceCardPro Flex rapidly produces cards, even quicker than your typical inkjet printer. It takes just 9 seconds to print one ticket, allowing you to print up to 500 price tickets in just 1 hour. This is possible thanks to batch printing. Simply select all the product records that you'd like to print and send them all to the printer at once. This PriceCardPro Flex printer features a 100 card input hopper and output hopper, meaning you can send up to 100 cards to print and then leave the printer running while you carry on with other jobs. It's this ability to set and forget that makes the PriceTag software such a time saver for food retailers. Adding new products to the list of product records is simple. Just click New in the Database Records section and fill out each field with the details of your product. You can add a product name, price, description, as well as other details such as allergen advice to ensure you're complying with allergen laws. If you need to update the price for a product or any other details, simply select the record and edit the information in the text input fields. Your card will be automatically updated, ready for you to print again. Are you interested in a price sign printing solution? Contact Reward It today to speak to an expert who will be happy to help.